Hi, I'm Jeff O'Mara. I'm here to share with you a collection of breathing techniques called Pranayama. They're commonly used in yoga to establish well-being within the body and mind. I think everyone is aware of how we can develop tension in the body, worry, anxiety in the mind, and a loss of control over our emotions, anger, sadness, hatred, frustration. By simply working with our breath, we can immediately produce an antidote to these uncomfortable and unhelpful states that we experience within ourselves. In short, we can take care of ourselves. And these skills have been practiced and refined by people over the course of thousands of years. And fortunately for us, the science behind pranayama has been a particular focus of research, and the evidence is proving and explaining why these techniques have been shared and enjoyed for so long. The really good news is that you don't need anything special. You're already perfectly prepared to enjoy the benefits of these practices. You've got a body, you've got a thinking mind, and you're still breathing, which won't always be the case, by the way. So you're all set, and the time to start is now. The other really good news is that these practices are really easy. All they require is just a little time and a little bit of consistent effort. Now, it's a beautiful thing that your school is doing to support you with this kind of a practice. And if you find what we do to be helpful for you, and you'd like to pursue it a little further, there are plenty of resources available to you. You can find more information through local nonprofits, one being Mindful Warriors, mindfulwarriors.co.uk, or the Space to Breathe Collective. You can see up here behind me at spacetobreathecollective.co.uk. Of course, I'm happy to talk to you about any further questions that you might have, your parents, your teachers. My contact info is available through the Space to Breathe website or through your school administration. All right, let's give it a try.